people who come to the politics watch. You see, sir, now tell them what we're talking about.
When we get the money?
When? Next 3 months.
Listen to me, sorry. You see, if you don't have the money to pay for the things they make
Me love you, babe.
That's my time, money for borrow.
I don't want to show you one other way, see me, if you can make some other money from the side, see me.
So which other way that me can make some more money?
No, so I started.
The boy.
Yeah, man. Come give me a link, man, after. Man, come, you can give me a link after the nigga gone, man. Come go the boat. See? Yeah, man, I got the boat all day, man. Hold on, them. I'm so call back. So call back. What go on, Keisha?
I wish party day.
There, man, you know, so me there, yard, I go and chill. So you up to?
Yo, lads!
Oh, skinny.
Brother.
Oh, this time I want to know, man. See what I'm gonna give it.
Yo, lads. What?
Fool and take me for brother.
A fool and take man from my youth.
Brother, the man gone to hospital with the man not dead, G.
Really, I say?
Yeah, my youth. Brother, I know pray now, man. Yo, me here say the man we are hospital, you. You say the man no miss, brother. Are you run out the operation, the man? How me get call and you no get no call?
Skinny. Sit down, man. Sit down, man, because I alone there and you talk loud like you want and nobody me what you say. What's your road boy thing, you know? Just calm down yourself, man. You hear what you hear.
The man not dead. I hit me a try show and say, yo, the man not dead. You see your wrong swatch and I'm missing on my G. You see me? And police are good on the scene and better investigate, you know. You know, so I can me and the man in a dealings in a dog. You see me? So them they sit them and try to run from me and my friend. Someone know what go on. You see me want know what go on, that's why I'm there. You don't even know how you know about this, sir.
Yo, Skinny, me tell you, say, calm down. Just calm down, old boy. A bad man thing is a gangster thing in my G. Me don't tell you from day one, say, yo, police are go involved, so watch on the man. I'm not man. I do man, remember say the youth not even know you know Skinny. You see me I say? So, I don't know if it dash one little extra man. You see me? So I will just find out which part of the youth there hospital, which one of the hospital in there. I will just deal with it because you know remember say the youth not get no money yet, so you don't worry about him, me fix this brother. Don't worry about this man, everything left for me man. You see me I say? So just calm down yourself, me deal with it.
How you feel?
I don't feel too bad, though, sis. I don't feel too bad, you know. Oh, come on, man. Let's go pain in the side and make it a shot, you know.
You know see how do it?
You know, sir, I'm there on the beach there, I do my job, man, and When I walk past you, then you stop me, I go up by the top, if you go piss and sit down, and I tell you, say, I only hear a gunshot, you see me? And next thing I know, in the hospital or something there. You see me, no really know see how it did. I didn't know what they are.
We pass the police them out the front there. I hope them find who do it. So what the doctor say, how much it a go cost and everything?
Hold on, you say police out the front now, sir?
Yeah?
Anyway, the doctor them must say some warhead or bullet or some kind of they in miss lodge up in my body. They kind of go close to the spine. So but I didn't say it all cost a piece of food to deal with it. No man, you don't have to worry yourself about that thing, man. You don't have to worry, man, because the co-worker them out there dumping them out there can't help you with the stall and sit, you see me? Yeah man. So you don't have to worry yourself about that system.
First I did mommy and daddy. Now are you? How was so? Some family curse. As we are settled down at the beach, things are going for we. All of this. I can't bother, I feel like give up.
No man, no sister man, you're crazy. No, you can't say that man. Look how far me I come from and look what we accomplished. Look on the business. And a whole lot of things we have got through together man. I told we in a man. So in case I pass off and thing, I know say mommy and daddy wouldn't want you to feel that way there. She would want you to be strong and thing. I know you're strong. I soon come out here and say and thing in the man. What are you talking about man? You need to be strong man. You see me? I know say mommy and daddy wouldn't want you to look like this right now and you know they don't want you to be strong.
Me I go stay strong. Me I come back come look for you but me I couldn't go sort out down there and put everything in place. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like Lisa lock me out here.
Oh, the current, see me up here so you know. Come, see me up here so. I hope you have your rent money. Come, we're waiting on you.
Lisa, me I tell you girl, me could have come back long time with the rent money, you know. Me say they have shot my cousin brother down the road, man.
Look here, me no want to hear nothing. You tell me say, you go get the money and come back. And that you tell me.
Lisa, no lie me, I tell you, no, Lisa.
So whisper that the cousin that get shot for you, the cousin brother get shot. Whisper that happen.
And no lie me, I tell you, you know hear about me cousin brother just get shot down the beach, you know how much shot he get? And me I go up to the hospital, man, and me go up to the hospital and me come back because tell you say, my cousin brother just get shoot up at the hospital and I want to go back up to the hospital, go look and see, find out if everything alright up there. I swear to God and I go and me I try to go around you.
Hold on there. I know the lifeguard down a beach. I him get shot.
Yeah man, the lifeguard.
The lifeguard we down a beach, that you there. You know say me know him, you know. You and my family?
No man, the lifeguard sister and me, a cousin. Yes, I he make me come back down if I can't tell her what I want to back up at hospital to find out what I want with the brother.
Why, oh boy, them man is not easy with the shooting, you know. Them man then just a kid that as a shoot and one that some man and what happened to them so I'm thinking of anyway, I'll give you 1 month. 1 month, you hear me? 1 month me I give you. Sort out yourself, sort out your family, come back.
Thank you, Lisa, thank you. If I did some landlord, they put me out a long time. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.
Go on a situation where in a and that's why me tell you that, but a 1 month. Alright. Oh, when you come back, you will the key way under the gate.
Boy, Skinny, me I tell you, sister, already first, this ever happened to me.
Yeah. That's all that thing I've done, you know, my G. Is it? Hold on, relax. What you say, no? No? Alright, yeah, I'm so forward. Yo, Lance. I have to move, you know. How long you say that thing I go take?
Me personally, I go deal with it, man. Don't worry yourself, see? Me personally, I go deal with it, brother. Don't worry yourself, see?
Alright?
Don't worry yourself.
Watch the face now, man. Look out forward to it.
See a word, man. Sort it out. Yo, Woodlum. Boy, I like how you deal with it, boy. Like how you take care of your local business there for me, you know? We have a little extra business for you, you know? So here we go on. Meet me down at the same spot there. We always meet up, see? Just come check me there, so see? Alright, alright. This is the boy there. This is the boy there.
You get down easy. Then follow me. Then follow me. Jesus.
Hey, Dad, see me here.
Come round and flick. Hey, big see my fear if the brown man sick. We eat up like down and fish. We got to see the brown that I'm going to up sound and shut up for them one.
What I saw for the hospital without them, the doctor tell him say the gunshot they near him spine or something like that. Not even know, because him himself like him not even understand.
Yo, brother, I can't stay too long. I get a piece of food for move back.
I want to know the details, you know, my G. Just tell me the details, man. I want to know it, though. Don't know. Tell me what go on, man. Tell me what go on.
Not too go on no more. They send me on the mission, you know, and I just load up a boy with a couple bullets, you know, man, and I move, you know. So, you know, so I'm only come and I defend, you know, you know.
Well, say you want your money. Alright. See your money, huh? Stay in a school.
Agent Squad, big up in the cell. Yeah, you don't know. More like Vulture Squad. Say sorry clear.
Morning. What I go on with people? Sorry. So, we might have to put a pause on the Talawa series. We might have to put one like a pause on it. This is why, hear me out. So, you see, because the characters work and I'm busy, but I'm interested in doing films on YouTube, it kind of difficult for balance because, like, for schedule, forget everybody on a particular day, just forget everybody together. Like, it will take a week sometime or more. And then, when I get everybody on the day, like sometimes you have some unforeseen issues. Sometimes people get sick when you shoot, rain fall, one whole heap of things. One whole heap of things are out of your control. Because remember, it's not like we have one studio or one set, you know, we just use the environment and be creative. So for that reason, you know, we have to put a pause on it. Because the time we are wait, we have some characters that are available more often than others. So my thing is that instead of we wait, we just do some other films, and then when everybody can available now, then we continue this series if we can. You see me? But I just saw the thing I got people. You see me? But I still have to come out and tell them because you know I want to support the thing I want to watch. So if something happen, you see me, and I expect just have to update. You know? So yeah, people. So yeah, that's basically it. So stay tuned if you're first time, subscribe. The POLITRICKS watch thing is clickbaity, but not really clickbait, you see me? Because I write up in a POLITRICKS watch all of that. And I think I can use POLITRICKS watch for cloud too, because he make video for me. So why if me just take a little cloud from the boss? Nothing wrong with that. You see me? Yeah. So big up on yourself. Thank you for tuning, and I will see you in the near future. And remember to subscribe to Akin. You see me? Subscribe to Akin. Yeah. So later, big up on yourself and thanks for the support always. Later.
Oh, there, Karen.
Watch out, Lisa, what?
Lisa, what? Go and look for what me rent there. I put your thing, me should have put out your things them. You're there, so come call about what go and Lisa. How much money you owe me, Karen, in a rent? How much money you owe me in a rent, Karen? Your things them should have out there, so. Out a gate, you should have called see them. You come and contact, boy. Me know your face, you shoot, you think me not there, I know. I think you think me not there, that's why you come here. But me tell you something, me that plan for you, me that look out for you. But me tell you something, I want my rent money.
Lord God, Lisa, take time now.
No.
You have to make everybody know, say me where I want to look money up on the road, me go. I'm going to start out want to look money. Just give me a little more time now, you still get the money. Please, me ask you, give me a little more time.
Time? One more time you want. You not pay no money, you not pay me no money January. You not pay me none February. And 1 month we now, you know, March. One more time you want. One more time. Me need my money today as you get put out.
Hold on the list, and I have to reach so far. I just come off the road. I just run go up here and beard and put on some clothes. If you get that money, later on I sort out here, we get that thing.
What you say? You go beard, sort out yourself, and go up on the road, sort out for me get that money. When me I get the money? When me I get the money? When me I go get the money? When? Next 3 months from this?
Calm down yourself. Now let me tell you, today me I give you money.
Me don't get no money from you today. You get put out. You see that lock there?
I'm fresh and go up on the road. Me I go sort out one little thing and you get the money, man. You don't feel be so rough.
You get privilege because you're a woman like me. So go on, go wash up your crotches. Oh God, you think man, you didn't get gone today, yeah? Because
Relax, man. One tail. What wrong with you? Watch out.
Yeah, squeeze my hand.
One tail. What problem? What happened to you, Kayla? What problem? What happened?
We do what?
You mean say we do what? What make me have to talk to you over and over and over again?
What you talk about? Me don't know what you are talking about.
See there? And that me a talk about. Hello? And that me a talk about. See there? In your phone.
You love make a big deal over out of everything. I just look a message me and answer.
No need to see that girl. I don't talk about that, you know. I start me talk about the focus, we have to focus on the style. And that me talk about, me concern about the business. We barely make the money I start already. We barely make the money. And the reason why we don't make the money is because you're always in the phone and text. When people come and start, you don't pay attention to them because you're in your phone. And you make the money and start, you know. You make the business and go and good. You cause all of that.
Because I'm me. I do my part. You just always depend on my case over everything. I'm tired of it.
Me depend on your case. Me depend on your case because we need to survive. Because mommy and daddy not there, so we need to work together to make ends meet. You understand me?
Me know. But me don't want to spend the rest of my life as still a star. I want to go back to school, go meet new friends and have a normal life like any other young people.
Me understand that. Me understand that, but you understand that. So we can't on phone all day, I text on phone and focus on the style. Because we have to work hard. We can't sit down and wait for things to happen. We have to work hard for that.
I know the money energy, and the principle.
Sure, say I want it to happen, G. I remember saying, when them things are happening, brother, police are got involved, you know.
Brother, Westmoreland G come from. Want a program run for him today. And another that alone, you know, say better if you use your phone or call and me to go and show you a styling thing in the pan.
Our situation is done with situation already.
Well, you know, you get the nicest job. You stump on beach and watch your sexy lady them a pass. People not even like drown again like one time. And me have to sit down and I ask people what them want to buy and them not even care, them out to disrespect me. You get the nice job. You not experience what me experience at daytime.
The easy job. And me get the easy job. Come on, Pitney man. How were you there when time people are come out of the water, we get sting by jellyfish, sea urchin pop up on your foot and stuff, and me have to attend to that. You now must spend time to see that. You talk about pretty girl, you're there in your phone every single day. Me can turn my head from the station and look for you in your phone every day. You tell me about pretty girl? Come on, man.
You can't go and talk. Enough time I sit down and stand and watch you. I look for them and you smile and way around there, so you all are quitting them off.
Watch you now. I think I follow up the argument in there, but you're done. I think I follow up the argument. But you must say them to you now. More you go back and start. And pay attention. You understand? Me I beg you, please pay attention for the business today.
Sure, you go down there.
Go on back and stall and talk to me like that. Go on back and stall.
Here we have. Use your phone, see? And call him and say if you not get him, use my phone and call him. I say if you get him with my phone, run operation for him, see? Fixing business. So you have to give him a call first and see if you get him. If you not get him with your phone, you have to use my phone, see?
Feel a juke, yeah. Keep the phone ring, you know. See, there'll be a joking man there. See, they're going to voicemail now. Sure, it's a be a joking man there.
After nobody know I know. And he want me to say, when expect me to do more than
Call my girlfriend.
Hello, baby, what's up?
Your fine job, you know, hard work as always, and you know things are alright. Boy, every time I have to talk to her, just pure problem man, like, you know, pain in my butt. But I'm still I want to do what I have to do. You know, me a big brother, I have to do my thing, you know, it go already.
Use my phone and call him and see if you get him, see? Use my phone, see?
You can take a break from work sometime, you know. You don't have to just stress yourself. I love you, babes, and I don't want nothing happen to you. And you know, say the other day my uncle did contact me and tell me say it's gonna need 25,000 more to legalize the bar. So the business get straight, our police know how we up and down so we can make some more money. Jason. You know, say me I put enough effort in this year for me and you don't it?
Yeah man, I know B. I know say I did everything, man. I know that. And I just want you to know say I really appreciate it. Trust me, really and truly appreciate what you do for me. Jano. Cause I just, you know, say it kinda really hard out here every day, my day I work and it's like I not really see nothing, you see me? I not really see nothing. But guess what I'm on a life still now. That's a life set still, you see me? And B, hold on there. Somebody will call me. Soon call back, give me a minute, man. Hello?
Need the boy answer. Yo! What? My money there. Remember you don't know what talk to your skinny brother. Yes.
Oh, I tell that skinny. How go on, man?
Want my money reach me today. Or else.
Yo, I know say I work for you, brother. I work for you, man. Trust me, I work for you. Just that, you know things tough, brother. I mean, I'm looking to start take care of sitting by you. Yeah, things kind of tough, brother, but me I work on it, man. Trust me, I work on it.
A months me away for the money, you know. Me know hear boy and your sister. So this is not gonna happen to you today. Today there, yeah. Or else, I see what I want. Isn't it?
Skinny. Born star.
Yo, me have a dog, me call me dog now. Yo, what go on me dog?
No, since I move me, I go up on me general.
You know, say me have a little work, see you mash. Yeah, man. I wish part you say again.
No, I'm the man, them man. We work at the public beach.
Alright, you wanna? I'm charge you come with me and show me a little vibes and when you walk over the beach, you see me over the public beach. You want a little mission to match for him, so you wanna give you the work.
So much that they work, they are pay so.
Don't worry about the money, man. The money I lease, man. Don't worry about the money part. You see?
Me a park the local bike and go deal with it. Send me a picture.
Yo, when you reach, you just call me and I'll send you the picture. Yeah. Alright, let's do that. This is you that I'm missing on the dream. You see, alright, watch it. See, as soon as you reach and call me, you're going to hear what's going on.
Yeah, you know, something come up in us. They play here. Nah, man, everything alright, man. Everything good, man. You call about it, man. Same.
Alright. Like, seriously?
Yeah, what's for this?
$400, sir.
I too dear, man. I can't go cheaper than that, man.
No, sir, that's for my things. If you don't want it, just kindly put it back.
Oh, man. A beach is not like people come to enjoy themselves, you know, so I can't go buy with a price. And people are stressed out on them the price of this, you know.
You're not easy, sir. If you not pay that, put it back down, please. Put it back
man,
down.
so you are. Give me a better price.
No, I that for it.
So how much is the bun?
$200, sir.
I reach you and reach half of it. Eh?
What you mean?
A beach is enough. Hi, girl. People come for eat a bun and drink a drinks and you're selling so dear, man. Come down with some better price, man.
Listen to me, sir. You see, if you don't have the money to pay for the things there, I can kindly put them back, please. Because I not change my price to please you. I'm sorry.
So I make no money, you know. See? Alright.
Look how long are there, sir? And if I want something to buy, you just a whole lot of time. If I can't afford the things, then I just put on something make somebody else
That's
buy.
how I can't make no money, man. It's alright.
Sorry about that. I saw them come here all the while, come talk one bag of something and them know them can't afford the stuff. But how they look to buy
Worry yourself, man. I know where road run, man. I just want a bottle of water and one stone ginger wine, please.
What stone ginger wine?
No, hot.
Yo, me G. Yeah, man, me send you the picture. Check your phone, man. Me send you the picture of the youth. Yeah, man. Me send you the picture of the youth, man. See me I say? So just, you can just do your thing. See? Yeah.
Are you wanna run the style here?
No, sir. I mean, I'm a brother and my lifeguard over on the beach.
Okay, my name is Karen. What's your name?
Akela, my name I know about everybody call me Tala. So I bring you come a beach today. We come a beach, come to chill out.
Yeah, man. Chill me come a beach, come chill. One bag of things up on my head. Just come to come steam off something. You know?
I understand what you say sometimes. I feel like go some other stress. So around here you come from?
I'm not really around here I come from, you know. I'm not too come out, you know.
So you have to do it sometime, girl. You have to stay in.
Anyway, nice to meet you at all. No one if you want exchange number with me. We can hang out and be friends.
Yeah, man. You want to take mine or you want to give me yours? Because I well want to live here, so if you get the chance to live, yeah, we can hang out. Karen! Yeah, left us one ginger wine.
Thank you, later.
Alright.
So, you know, go and kill her. So, nothing sell off I stall it. Nothing sell it.
I want me to you.
Nothing wrong in everything good, man.
I want lady come here, come buy water. So what do you?
Everything good, man. But I just want to know, say, boy, you know, you have focus on things and you can make a money, you know. But you wanna, I go down to places where watch people, you know, so. Go and date me, yeah?
Hey, mom, make him go along, so.
Hello, miss. Are you here on the staff?
Yeah, how you want?
What's the enough thing what I want to do? Move my boy. You know, give me a dragon now. So what you name, mama?
So what? I want to make you want to know my name.
So, yeah, leave me some, mama. Just want to know your name, you know. Sister, you are in a style, and my sister, you know, make one little money now and then, you see me? So, like that. I would want to show you one other way, see me, if you can make some other money on the side, see me.
So which other way that me can make some more money? How about that? No, no bother with it. Go and do business with the one day. Now do that.
You won't get for the guns. You see me? You won't get for the guns.
And me, you want police come down here, come haul and pull? No, I prefer sit right here and go and juggle them
Me
look something here
alone
from the
just stay
star. Me alright.
I hear me since you go there, so you know. Just want you to think about it, you see me? Give me number, make you give me a call, man. You see, pray? Yeah, man, just think about it, man. You see me? Yeah. Give me a link, man. You see it?
Yo, brother. You know, some I'm going to do it, but I want some money for it, you know, bro. Yeah, man, important, man. I want some money for it, man. I want some money.
Not even time, money for borrow. I mean, you want him from to borrow. You not even tell me what I go on. I am bridging. I like you, for what you say, I move away, but you still not tell me what I go on. Where are you with money?
Man, you know, so I do some things, brother, I have to deal, man. I do some things I have to deal, man. You don't really have to worry about it, brother. I'll make sure say reach your back. You see me, I say, but I just that. I do some things I have to do. I don't really want to chat about it, but trust me, man, you'll get back your money, brother. You'll get it back.
I know you not tell me what I go on still, you know. Because you tell me say you want money to borrow. You don't show me nothing and make me know what I go on, you know. But how much money you want, sir?
You know, so I want 55,000 to borrow, though, bro.
55.
Yeah, man.
But, brother, you know me, I do the same job, I know how little money we get. You have to work around 3 months to get that. So I go find like the money left from me and know big deal, man. 55, as much as me I have bridging. 55,000, no boy, you know. And you know what's a fully clips at work, your hand too much.
Yeah, man, yeah, brother. Make you stay ready. That's good, man. Everything good, man. You see me? You stay, man. Everything good, man. Me match like that. That good, man. Respect. Stay. What you want to We can go back to our post here, man. Alright? But respect still again, you see what I'm saying?
That's well, because we kind of done it so long.
Yeah, man. Respect, bro.
Alright, brother.
What you mean, Blink? A long time we know you're in the street, you know, you're there, so, brother. I remember how you think you used to run one time, you carried it up there, so. I want a good idea, brother, for your holiday. And do your thing, you know?
Yeah, man.
Be real, man. You mean?
I
I
want
love
to catch
that.
back your thing, and my fans, them love me. That's why things are original and cat. You know what I'm saying? Business, they moving supermarket, right place, right price.
Original
Welcome to Bluefish Beach.
Original name, yeah.
Original name for the beach, for the people them know it's a cat this for a long time. You understand? Yeah. Welcome to Bluefish Beach. My friend them there, lifeguard there. We have a time for business, we have a time for friend show.
Jason,
Too far.
come here.
Too far, man. I'm about to talk about it. Too far.
The boy. Bring.
Original car.
What bring in here something like I want gunshot?
Yeah, man. I'm like right up the side now.
Yeah. Alright. I wonder what happened with it.
Yeah, man.
Hold on, something wrong, man. Something right, man.
Dumpling, you know what?
Yes, they shoot somebody up the road. I go look at who and see how they shoot. I don't know. Back up, back up.
When that who get shot, Jesus. Come on, ambulance. What round this room, man? Run to the man. Run back, okay? I want one.
Jason, no! Jason, no! Jason, no! No, Jason, no! No, you can't go! No, you can't go! Jason, no! Jason, no! No, you can't! No, you can't! No, Jason, no!
Bring him to the hospital, I know him. No, yeah. No, I'm gonna bring him to the hospital and just get shot. Yes, he's so here from him, man. I'm a brother. And they call the ambulance. No!
Yo, see the dog a call back. Yo, where you see her going on the G? Yeah. Alright, I see a word, man.
Alright, calm down yourself, pal. They might rush him to the hospital. You don't have nobody at all can go to the hospital to assist him.
No, I just see two away alone. Not even know me I go do right now.
That means you don't have nobody at all. Nobody at all to call. No. Alright. Go sit down right yesterday. See, I'll make you sit in here from here. I'll go best and come back. Sit down right yesterday.
John was star, mama. Can't believe me get to find out say brother that man they will get shot, you know. You see me? Can't believe say dad get shot. So where are they so? Oh, you know the hospital for check out if the dog good and them really check if him alright and check if him dead or find out if him alright, you know?
I want my friend them here wait pan people and look for them.
Yeah, so when I go to eat, you know. Doctor really expensive with when I get gunshot and them thing there, you see me, cause them thing they very expensive, so where I go to know? see the thing we may not tell about early on today. You see me? Like best way right now, that would help out right now in the best way, you see me? I swear to you, would help you out right now, cause hospital fee for gunshot not cheap. You see me? So right now that would be the best thing right now for you. To help you out right now, help out your family, help out your brother right now. Cause I know you don't want your brother for dead right now. You see me? Yeah, what I gotta do no more? Zine, big man thing, cause I need one ton of people long now, cause you don't know where I feel the world, you see. When you go down at the hospital, find out how much fee, check up your brother, how much it costs, and them things there. And make me know what I go on. You see me? Cause I can't just stay here right now, you see it? So I just drop off a thing. You see it? You see me? That will help out the family, man, if you know, man, you see it?